Before you could start using My Service Tracker to improve your business, you must set up your company. There are 8 steps in setting up your company. First, you must select your departments that you do or trades. You must set up your management team, your technicians, your COD lead sources, set up your commercial accounts, your property management accounts. If you work with warranty companies, you would set up all the warranty companies you work with, and you would set up your diagnostic fee only amounts and your maintenance fee only amounts. My Service Tracker is set up to support appliance, electrical, garage doors, HVAC, plumbing, and pools and spas. On this screen, you would select the trades you perform. Only the trades you select here will be analyzed in your reports. After selecting your trades, click Save and Next to enter your users and management team. This is where you would assign management privileges and roles for users inserting data into this program. You can define managers or executives. The difference is executives can define other managers and their roles and are allowed to act on the owner's behalf. Managers and executives can define new customers and technician accounts as well as control work orders and invoices. If you are inputting multiple users, insert the first and click Save and New Record. Their users will populate below in the existing management records. After inserting all users, click Save and Next to go to the technician page. This is the page you will use to input all your technicians by trade. If a technician does more than one trade, then you will need to assign him or her an account for each trade. Start by inserting the technician's username, email address, and trade. You have the option to insert your technician's pay type, whether it's commission, hourly, or a combination of the two. The commissions from profit would pay your technician from the invoice's profit after parts cost. Commissions from revenue would be a commission based on the total invoice amount. You could click on the question marks to the right of each option to get more information. Lastly, insert a monthly gross revenue goal for each technician. Later in the goal setting process, we will get more specific with their revenue goal. After each technician, click Save and New Record to go to the next technician. After clicking Save and Record, the technicians will appear in the table below with their username, trade, pay type, commission from profit, commission from revenue, hourly pay, and monthly revenue goal. The numbers below are demo numbers only and do not represent our recommendations. The drop-down menus on the top allow you to see a trade type, all, or a specific trade, and all active and past technicians. The icons to the left of the green dot, from left to right, represent edit, add trade, and delete record. Once you have completed inserting all your technicians, you would click Save and Next to go to the COD lead source page. If you click Next Step, it will take you to the lead source page without saving the information that you input. Setting up the COD lead source page will help you get reports on your advertising return on investment, or ROI. First thing you want to do is insert the lead source. Examples of a lead source would be Google, Angie's List, or Home Warranty COD. Next, use the drop-down box to select the lead type. Examples of lead types would be internet, direct mail, etc. Write a brief description of the advertising, your monthly budget, whether it's recurring or a one-time only fee, and the starting month for the advertising. After inserting one lead source, click Save and New Record for it to appear under existing lead sources. After you have inserted all your lead sources, click Save and Next to save your sources and continue on to commercial. Clicking Next Step will take you to commercial without saving your last inserted lead source. Below will be all your existing lead sources. The 2 drop-down menus will show you one specific lead source or all your lead sources. The icons next to the green dot from left to right will either allow you to edit or delete a record. On this page, you will set up all your commercial accounts. Enter the company's name, city, and zip code. In between each account, click Save a New Record to add another commercial account. Following the final commercial account, click Save and Next to go to the property management accounts. When closing your invoices within the program, you will have a drop-down box allowing you to assign a specific commercial account. On this page, you will set up your property management accounts. Enter a company name and phone number and click Save a New Record to add another one. After each account, they will populate below in the existing property management companies. Click Save a New Record to go to the warranty company page. My Service Tracker tracks each home warranty company separately and together. To add a home warranty company, just click the drop-down box and select which company. After you select it, the warranty company name will populate automatically. Click Save a New Record to add another home warranty company. As you do this, they will populate below in the available warranty companies. Click Save and Next to save the current record and move on to the DFO/MFO page. In the goal setting process, you will be able to set up each home warranty company's target budget. By doing this, the KPI reports will let you know on a daily basis where you are actually compared to the target budget. My Service Tracker will let you know the true value of the home warranty work and will let you know exactly how to become more profitable running home warranty business. Under DFO/MFO, you want to set up your fee-only amounts. For example, with COD, My Service Tracker calls the fee only a diagnostic fee only, or DFO. This means your technician gave a quote on a COD call, but the client declined and just paid your diagnostic fee. If you give free estimates on COD, then you would put a 0 in this column. My Service Tracker also calls a fee only with property management a DFO. To calculate your MFO, or maintenance fee only, take what you charge for your maintenance agreement and divide it by the number of visits that fee covers, and insert this in the MFO column, or maintenance fee only column. Click Apply Changes to save, and then click Save and Next to start the goal setting wizard. If you have completed these 8 steps, you have completed the company setup process.